Yes, sir. How does it make you feel knowing that the president of the Philippines and also the prime minister of Malaysia was there, present, watching?
Di ani man daw si President Digong ug si Prime Minister sa Malaysia ba ni tan-aw sa duwa. So unsay may gibati ana?
Nga akong makadaog jud ko kay nananaw ang mga dagkong tae.
He's all business right now though.
Needs to be focused because Ortega has plenty of power. There's a right hand that lands to the Mexican.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Jack Tipora, dating namumulot ng basura para magkapera. Nagka-interes sa boxing dahil sa kaniyang mga kuya at dahil na rin kay Manny Pacquiao na kaniyang naging inspirasyon. July 15, 2018, dumayo sa bansang Malaysia itong batang prospect ng Pinas na si undefeated Jack El Capitan Tipora, ang alaga ng MP promotion ni Manny Pacquiao. Ang laban ay para sa WBA Interim World Featherweight title. Makakaharap niya ang tigasin at magaling din ng Mexican fighter na si Divaldo Ortega na dalawang Pinoy na rin ang naging biktima. Bit-bit ng Meksikano sa laban ang record na 26 wins, only 1 defeat, isa tabla at 12 via KO, habang si Jack Tipora ay dala-dala naman ang impresibong kartada na 21 wins, 0 loss, 16 via knockout. Ang laban ay undercard ng labang Manny Pacquiao at Lucas Matisi. Sa mismong gabi, matinding bakbakan ang nasaksihan.
When I say break one step back, okay? With no landing punches. Acabo de dar las instrucciones, acuérdense que cuando digo break es un paso para atrás sin tirar y que los golpes son varios del ombligo para arriba. Okay? Please.
Unang round pa lang, isang halimaw na body shot agad ang pinakawala ni Tipora. Sa sobrang lakas, ang Mexican ay talagang napaatras.
Favor in this contest.
I really like Tipora. I think he's a budding young star. He's got good skills. He's explosive. He likes to bring it. He's got good power.
Intensity. Sitting in that fighter interview meeting, I thought he was going to jump the table and start scrapping with you.
He's all business right now though.
Needs to be focused because Ortega has plenty of power. There's a right hand that lands. This crowd's getting loud. Probably 95% are here just to see Manny Pacquiao, and Tipora's going to get a lot of love off that crowd.
Pero di naman nagpapasindak sa pagiging knockout artist ng Pinoy itong Meksikano. Sumabay at nakakatama din ng mga solido.
Both fighters landing some heavy punches here in round one. This is the kind of fight we expected, Chris, and that's what we're getting.
They both said that this is going to be an all-action affair.
Kita kating atras, putihan na naman nato, nego, sakit lang diyan, ha?
Don't move back, you gotta have a brave heart.
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds, mas naging mainit pa ang laban. Mas maraming mabibigat na kamao ang pinapakawalan. Nagiging mas agresibo na dito ang kalaban, pero itong si Tipora ay madalas nag-aabang lang ng tamang tiyempo para mapatama ang solidong kamao.
I will fight my fight, and I'm going to use my intelligence.
He's actually using boxing to be able to execute.
Every punch thrown with knockout intentions.
This is going to be the battle of hooks, I believe. Both these guys really like their lead right hooks.
Tipora, much like the story of many Filipino fighters, said he collected trash for sale when he was a child. Found boxing as the only way out. The more adversity you face, the better fighter you become.
Good exchange here. I like how good counter left uppercut.
Seemed like, he was just like going.
What a very, very scary moment for him.
He's keeping a measured pace. He's looking at the
Crowd really buzzing as they've settled in a little bit more. Nice 1-2 to the. Nice exchange, and Ortega got the better of that, it seemed, but now that gets. And a nice 1-2 running forward for Ortega again. Good round for the Mexican who just missed with the right, hit him with the left. Mexico in the white, one of 4 world title bouts. That tonight against Ortega, can he?
No, and I think he knows that. He's been, like I said, he's been fighting a little bit of a counter fight.
Parents own a little Mexican food stand.
No.
Good left hand over. Ortega said is doing.
Fifth round tuloy ang laban. Andun pa rin ang pagka-agresibo nitong Meksikano. Habang itong si Tipura ay tila nire-reserba ang hangin sa bodega. Nag-aabang lang ng saktong pagkakataon na makatama ng solido para tapusin ang laban nila.
Culture shock, Chris. This is the first time Ortega has ever...
Good left uppercutting. Nice defense there by Tipura.
Fighters if you were in their corner, Chris.
For Ortega, I would say to pick up the action a little bit more, the distance, being able to counter like that. I would like for him to counter with more than.
To 10 weeks for a world title fight. Ortega said he... Left hand, a lot of power though.
At the end of this round, you see more of what Ortega needs to do. Push him forward, letting his hands go.
Tell us about Jack Tapora, Diana. Don't know a lot about...
Has big dreams like every boxer.
What would you like to see him doing right now, though?
He's not being super convincing, but honestly, I just thought more than one punch at a time. I think that's kind of what's up there. Good timing. Good body shot.
Ooh, big well, if you want to become a world superstar or even a national... Nice counter right there, more of a slapping shot from Tapora. Alcohol sales here in this arena.
Ninth round, madalas umaabante pa rin itong Meksikano. Pero sa sobrang pagka-agresibo nitong kalaban, ang matagal nang hinihintay ni El Capitan na tamang pagkakataon ay dumating na. Tumama ang solidong kanan na uppercut sa mga huling segundo at bagsak itong Meksikano.
Nasty uppercut just missed.
Pero talagang matibay, bumangon pa at pilit sumabay. Pero matapos bilangan ay pinaulanan agad ng kamao ni El Capitan. Sobrang naalog at nahilo. Di na nakasagot pa sa mga kamao. Kaya tinigil na lang ng referee ang laban dahil mas mapahamak pa itong Mexican. Panalo si Jack El Capitan Tipura sa laban via 9th round TKO. Nakuha ang titulo at napanatili ang malinis na kartada nito. Habang itong Meksikano ay tila diretso retiro. Di na ito muli pang lumaban. Si Tipura ang huli niyang kinasahan.
For Tapora, he finally let his hands go. That's what he needed to do all night.
And we talked earlier about how you win. No one's going to remember those pedestrian rounds. They'll remember...
Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
The winner, still undefeated, and now the new WBA interim featherweight world champion, the featherweight fighting pride of the Philippines, Jack El Capitan Tipura.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.